Hello everyone, my name is Frank. I'm working IKEA Leather Competence Center. I'm very glad to take this opportunity to share what I will intend to discussion with you during the leather forum. Come to the educating the public on the value of the leather upholstery. I think we need to do two points, two action. One, strengthening customer forecast. We are building up very strong leather agenda for coming years. For instance, leather furniture quality perception, both comfort and durabilities. We share the general leather knowledge to the customer, including maintenance, and we take response on the customer question on time about leather quality, leather property, and forbidden chemical control. So through our retailer communication and leather furniture advice. Second point is to strengthen sustainability responsibility with a transparent way to share with customer. Yeah, we're using leather from country around the world. Our largest rawhide sourcing currently are from USA, Australia, Germany, Brazil. We set social, environmental, and traceability condition for our direct supply, like leather sofa supply, leather furniture supply, and all the tanneries. It including a requirement that the leather we used does not come from supply linked to deforestation or land conflict in Amazon or Borno. All this can help the customer have clear understanding on the leather value and leather sustainabilities what we have. They can take the right choice on the leather furniture. We believe leather furniture business will be growth with a healthy way and consideration with sustainability responsibility. We are on the journey. When it comes to traceability, we have the goal to have traced all the leather back to slaughterhouse by August 2017. Yeah, looking forward meet you for more discussion in the leather forum. Thanks. Bye.